In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable the Chrome PDF Viewer. If you want to control whether PDF files open directly inside Google Chrome or download to your device instead, this is a very simple setting to change. Adjusting this option can be helpful depending on how you prefer to work. For example, if you like quickly previewing PDF files in your browser, you'll want Chrome's built-in PDF Viewer turned on. But if you'd rather save PDFs first and open them with another app, you can switch that behavior off in just a few clicks. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps many of its main options and settings. After that, click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page, where you can manage different browser features and preferences. On the Settings screen, find and click Site Settings. This section controls how websites behave in Chrome, including permissions and content options. Next, scroll until you see Additional Content Settings, then click it to open More options. This area contains extra content controls that are not shown in the main site settings list, so if you don't see the PDF option right away, this is the section you need. Now click on PDF Documents. Here is where you can choose how Chrome handles PDF files. If you want to disable the Chrome PDF Viewer, click the option for Download PDFs. Turning this on tells Chrome to download PDF files instead of opening them directly in the browser. This is useful if you regularly need offline copies or prefer using a separate PDF reader. If you want to enable the Chrome PDF Viewer again, go back to the same PDF Documents section and click the option to Open PDFs in Chrome. With this enabled, PDF files will open in a browser tab, making them easier to view immediately without downloading them first. That's all you need to do. The setting takes effect right away, so once you switch it, Chrome will start handling PDF files based on your choice. If you ever want to change it again, just return to the same path in Chrome settings and update the option. This is a small setting, but it can make your browsing experience much more convenient, especially if you work with PDF files often. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you quickly enable or disable the Chrome PDF Viewer.